If you have one of these fridges, you probably have a pretty similar ice situation. We have a little bit of frost in there, and that never clears itself up. It's a known issue, and the next generation is fixed, but we have this generation. So we do something like manual defrosting. I started out using a screwdriver, and it takes a while to do that. Then I switched to the full steel core Milwaukee demo bar, and it does a little bit better, but it still takes a fair bit of effort. Then I upgraded to this. This is a 1 9/16 rotary hammer, and if you can chip concrete, you can chip ice. Let's try this. So the point of this is not to get it super great in there. The ice machine just won't ever make ice for us again. The hopper here, up in this section up here, is totally full of ice that I just can't get out. So really, we're just doing a manual ice removal, a little bit of remediation to make sure that the iceberg doesn't get too big. And we'll be back in a couple months to fix this again. Fixed.